DIY natural inks and dyes, crafting colors from plants and minerals. Picture this: centuries ago, monks, calligraphers, and artists used berries, roots, and minerals to create vibrant hues for manuscripts and paintings. Today, you can do the same using simple kitchen ingredients. Ever wondered how artists in ancient times made their own colors? What if I told you that you can create stunning natural inks and dyes at home using plants and minerals completely chemical-free? Let's dive in. 11 quick tips. Berry power: crush blackberries or blueberries for rich purple and blue hues. Turmeric magic: simmer turmeric powder for a bright golden yellow ink. Spinach green: blend spinach leaves for a deep green pigment. Coffee and tea tones: brew strong coffee or tea for sepia and brown shades. Beetroot brilliance: boil beets for stunning pink and red hues. Charcoal ink: mix ground charcoal with water for deep black ink. Rust and vinegar: soak rusty nails in vinegar to create a natural iron gall ink. Pomegranate rind: boil pomegranate peel for earthy golden tones. Red cabbage magic: boil red cabbage and adjust the pH with baking soda or vinegar to create blue, purple, or pink inks. Flower power: marigolds and hibiscus flowers create vibrant natural dyes. Fix your ink: use salt or vinegar to make colors last longer on fabric and paper. Disclaimer: results vary based on materials and techniques used. Always test colors before application.